Example: Jesse is planning to build a swimming pool at their home of dimensions 30 feet, 20 feet, and 12 feet. She needs to plaster the pool. What would be the area that she needs to plaster? So as you can see, she is planning to build a pool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider a cuboid because a pool looks like a cuboid, and then I will try to explain what basically we need to do to find the total surface area that we need to plaster. So let's consider this is the pool, and if you look at the question, it says that the length is 30 feet. So basically this is 30 and the width is 20 feet. So this is basically 20 feet and the height is 12 feet. So basically the pool will look like this, where you have the length, width, and the height. Only one thing is that you are going to plaster left side and right side of the pool, this back side and the front side, and the bottom. You will never plaster at the top because there is nothing at the top. So let's first find the area of the bottom part, which is basically like what, 30 feet times 20 feet. So area of the base is basically, base, I'm writing base is equal to length times width, which is 30 times 20. So 30 times 20 is basically 600 feet square. So this is basically the area of the base that's you need to plaster. Now let's find the surface area of this wall right here and this wall right here, which is basically left and right. So the surface area of left and right wall basically equal to 2 times area of one of these walls because they are basically the same. So the length of this type of wall will be 20 times 12. So I'll write 2 times 20 times 12 because both left and right side of the wall for the pool is basically the same surface area. So 20 times 12 is basically 2 times 240, and 2 times 240 is basically 480 feet square. Now let's find the front and the back wall. So front plus back wall will be basically the same surface area. So I'll write 2 times area of the front wall is basically 30 times 12. So I'll write 2 times 30 times 12. So this is basically 2 times 360, and 2 times 360 is basically 720 feet square. As you can see, the area of the base is 600 feet square. Area of the left and the right wall, which is basically this wall and this wall, is basically 480 square feet, and area of the front wall, which is basically this wall, and the back wall is basically 720 feet. So the total surface area that we need to plaster is sum of all these. So I will write total surface area will be equal to, I will write A is equal to sum of all these values. So I will write 600 plus 480 plus 720, and let's add all these numbers and we will get 1800 feet square. So which simply means that Jesse need to plaster 1800 square feet of the wall, which includes bottom, left and right, front and back wall. And this is how we will find the surface area of any given solid.